Hello friends, and welcome to our new video. Today we'll make ham roll. This meal contains of two parts. First part is the dough or the crust, and the second part is the filling or the stuffing. And for the first part, for the dough or for the crust, you will need 4 eggs, 80 grams of wheat flour, 20 milliliters of yogurt, 130 grams of Ivar, 5 grams of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. And for the second part, you will need 20 grams of soft cow cheese, 20 grams of sour cream, 150 grams of ham, and 100 grams of prosciutto or any other cured meat. First part is to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. So when you have finished the separation, you will need to mix it until it becomes like a snow. And the way that you're gonna check in how is it finished, you'll just need to flip over the bowl, and if it doesn't fall out, it's okay. Next step, while mixing, you will slowly add the rest of the eggs, I mean the egg yolks. That you have mixed all the eggs together, you add yogurt and slowly, gradually you will add flour while mixing. And now while you are mixing, you will all together add baking powder, salt and Ivar. So now that you have finished your mixture, take a dish, place some baking paper in it and fill in your mixture. You will need to place it evenly throughout the dish, and before you start doing that, you will need to turn on your oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Just spread it evenly throughout the dish, and before you put it in oven, you will need to heat it and vibrate it a little bit, so it fills in nicely, and then put it in oven. The crust is done, and now we'll take it by the paper and transfer it to our egg like that, and carefully roll it in. This needs to be done while the crust is hot, because when she gets cold, she can break. And now you will roll it in also in the rag, because the rags give it some hardness. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it will be good for it. And now leave it to cold. You will put in now sour cream, but you will leave about 50 grams on the bottom of it, not much. For other part, now we're gonna add soft cheese. You can also add mayonnaise or cream cheese or something like that. So now we have opened our crust. It looks like this. And now you will put in your filling or stuffing if you like. We added olives to this, but you don't need to add olives if you don't like them. Now you will add your cured meats. Just leave them flat on the crust. So we have put them on, and now you're gonna roll in the dough or the crust, just as you did previously, but this time without paper. Just slowly, so you don't mess it up on the end. Again, roll it in with paper. And now again wrap it in the rag that you have previously used. And again leave it to harden up. Now you will need to unwrap the dough. You will remove everything. Paper also. Now you will put the leftover of the sour cream on top of it. Now that you finish that, you will grind some hard cheese or cheese on top of it. And that is it. It is ready for cutting and serving. So, these are the finished ones. We can cut them previously. You can eat them with yogurt or just like that. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like or share, and thank you for watching. Ciao!
Ciao!